When you first walk in, you're greeted by these statues and lots of shops. There's a ton of shopping to do here at the Sheraton. So we're gonna walk over now to the left, and I really enjoyed this area because it was really quiet. Towards the back, there's another hotel, but also a garden over there. And these paisley shaped chairs, we enjoyed sitting here early in the morning or late at night. It was usually really quiet. And we have the Avis car rental service right here. By 8 o'clock, it'll be packed. And we have the koi fish that we'd sit and watch every day. My son loved it. And so now we're back in the lobby. And so this right here is the concierge. And they change this sculpture also often, I've heard. So we have more shops over here. And we're gonna go back to the left. We have Baskin Robbins here. And if you can imagine to the left where you see those foosball tables, that's back where the Avis car rental service was. So now we're going down and into the pool area. People usually wake up really early, put out towels to make sure they get a spot. We have the kiddie pool right here, the slide right here, 2 hot tubs right here, and this is the main pool. If you do yoga, they'll also do it there. I mean, Zumba. And we have an outdoor restaurant right here, view of the building. And so now we're gonna go back around, and this is where you get to the adult only section. So this is the infinity pool, and you have to be 21 over to hang out here. And so now we're gonna go up to the bedroom, to the hotel rooms. And so you walk in our room, we have a TV, chair. We actually had a really nice view. We have 2 beds. Everything was fairly clean for the most part. The bathroom was really nice. And this was our actual hotel view in the evening. Nice view of the ocean. And now we're gonna go back down to the pool area, and this is what it looks like at night. People usually go watch the sunset here. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching.